Palm Beach State College and Guest Printing, creating a new account. This will be the first of 3 very brief tutorials on printing for Palm Beach State College and guest students or patrons. The next 2 modules will cover adding money to your account and printing from a laptop. When you're a Palm Beach State College student or guest, our printing procedures are slightly different, and you'll need to set up a special account. We'll show you how. As you enter the Wimberly Library on the Boca Raton campus, you'll see the service desk where our guest logins and printing instructions are located. Please note that we have 2 versions of our printing handout. You'll notice the version we created for our Palm Beach State College students and guests has bright yellow highlights. Take one of those handouts and one of our little guest login pieces of paper and find a computer across the lobby from our desk in the reference area. Once you log into the computer, you'll be prompted to log into, or in this case register, for a printing account. Look carefully. The font color of the link can be easy to miss. You may then fill out a very brief online form to create your guest printing account. Congratulations! Be sure to select a very easy to remember username and password and write it down because FAU does not have any way to reset or retrieve your printing account login information.